and welcome to Kochi, where we've come together for 2 days of quirky challenges and mad fun. Day 1 was fantastic. काफी जोशो खरोश से सारे टास्क पूरे किए गए. And day 2 promises to be even more masaledar. So let's get ready to play a game which is as unpredictable as the weather in Kochi. I know you guys are eagerly waiting for the results. Okay, without wasting any more time, Ankit and Ankur, you weren't able to do the task completely?
Yeah.
So you are on the 4th position. On the 3rd position, this team took 2 minutes and 26 seconds to complete this task. That team is Umair and Fatima. Now for the top 2. The winning team only gets an advantage to go to the next task. And that winning team is Naman and Anamika, of course. Yeah, whatever. You guys took 50 seconds in all to complete this task, whereas Avni and Kajol, you guys took 1 minute and 48 seconds. Are we ready for day 2 of Kochi? Moving forward, let me tell you what the task is.
The teams have to first buy a mix of 4 spices. After buying the spices, the teams have to reach Pepper House, a heritage building in Fort Kochi. Once the teams reach Pepper House, they have to mix all the spices, separate the pepper, and then get it measured by Harleen. It should weigh 50 grams. Once the weight is approved by Harleen, the teams have to crush the pepper. The teams will be timed for the entire task.
I will be waiting for you at the end destination with my stopwatch, and your time taken will be recorded. So according to the rankings, teams leave with a time difference of 3 minutes. Which means Naman and Anamika leave first for the task. 3 minute के बाद अवनी और काजोल निकलेंगे, and then so on and so forth. Clear?
Clear.
Guys, here are your clue cards for this task. And because I'm a sweet person, I've also put in some money in here for your shopping. Naman and Anamika, please come and get your clue card first. So your time starts now.
Very first turn we took was the wrong one.
turn.
My
First
God, we took
turn
it
wrong.
right, and then we asked somebody like, Fort Kochi, Fort Kochi.
Kajol, you want to get your clue card? Yes. Okay, go for it.
Kirana.
Umair and Fatima.
Yeah. बिल्कुल देर नहीं करना चाह रहे हम लोग.
Okay, you go in 3, 2, 1, run. हट जाओ.
पेपर हाउस क्या हो सकता है? पेपर हाउस और क्लोव ना?
Come with us. Shut it. And your time starts now.
Fort Kochi.
Excuse me, buy Pepper House.
We have to buy cardamom, pepper, clove, mint. Sit. Patanjali.
Last day, it was just our car and the train's car, and I saw that they went like zoop. In fact,
Already
Ankit and
there.
Ankur, who had a 9-minute lag,
Exactly.
and
It was a
the girls
surprise
who
to
had
see
a
them.
3-minute lag
Yeah.
are there before us, and we're like,
Exactly.
we trusted the wrong people, dude. We also want. Thank you.
This is extremely hectic.
Pepper House. Is it a place? Place here.
We were left from that place like 10 minutes later, and we still, managed to reach the place at the first time, at the first place.
Where is Pepper House?
Guys, this way. clues and start the next task.
Yeah, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Kajol, come on up.
You need to grind, right?
Clue is already on the table. Quickly start the next task.
Naman, just separate them.
Okay.
Okay? Mix all four and separate properly.
First, you need to come to me. I need to wait.
Okay, black pepper निकालना है बस.
निकालना है?
हाँ.
Take smaller bundles.
Is this 50?
Sorry.
Put it here.
Naman, hardly.
Not yet.
This is pepper, okay?
Come on, guys. You can do this.
No, don't touch it, just touch it. I'm doing something. We have mixed everything.
Yes, okay, go for it. Where's the 14?
Where is Fort of Hotel?
We're going to Matancheris, right?
ये टेबल में गैप इतने यार.
Faster, Ankit and Ankur, move your hands faster.
यार, black pepper भी जा रहा है. Don't do that.
Want me to go and measure?
Yes, please go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
1 second,
Yeah.
hold on.
It's okay.
Hold on. You don't put that there.
Oh,
Hold on.
my lord.
No, there's a lot of things mixed in it. You have to separate it
Yeah,
properly.
okay.
There's a lot of long in it. Come on.
Okay.
I need only 50 grams of pepper. That's it. Put it here. Yeah, of course, turn it around. No, some more. Yes!
Let's go.
Crush it, baby! Yes, done.
Done.
Pepper house तो ये रहा.
Welcome, guys. Quickly get to your table and start the task. Turn it around. Done.
Done?
Start crushing.
Yeah, this is the machine. Just go for it.
अब थोड़ी देर filter कर थोड़ी.
Crush that pepper. Okay, Ankit and Ankur, you're wasting so much pepper.
Come on. Da.
Okay, show it to me first. I don't think that'll be enough though. Little bit more. Just a little bit more.
We're almost there.
It's actually not really crushed properly.
I mean, I don't know.
Naman and Anamika, make sure it's finely crushed.
Yeah. Don't worry.
It's not finely crushed yet.
Go for it. हो गया. Check, please. Is that approved?
Okay, I'm going to turn it around and see. Yes!
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Yeah! Come on, man. Crazy.
Let's see. Do we have it? Let's see. Yeah! Shah Rukh Khan, we love you. Come on. Yes. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about Ankit and Ankur. You guys were the last to leave that location and jointly first to make it here. What happened in between that?
It was like we had a 9 minutes lag, so we left the task location from there, and we were coming here. It was like smooth driving.
Can I correct you there?
Yeah.
It wasn't smooth driving.
It was.
Of course, you know that you were speeding the car at more than 50 kilometers per hour.
You know, because I don't think the roads are probably, it's not a highway. You cannot drive buses going in front.
But in our show, we have zero level tolerance for people who speed and drive dangerously. For that, you will have a penalty. You will have a 3 minutes penalty. Make sure, teams, for the last task, you're not speeding at more than 50. Yeah? Your safety is important to us and yourself and your family, of course. You guys will also have a penalty. Do you guys also realize that you don't really read your cue cards properly? Without reading your clues, how can you even know where to reach, what to do, what to buy? Let's get down to serious business. one last and final task to go in the Kochi chapters of India Adventures. This will give you the advantage to lead into the next task. Let's start with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and Fatima. Adding up your time taken from the first location till here, plus the time taken for your pepper task, adding up your penalties. So you're at a disadvantage of 42 minutes. From the team which stands first. You will leave for the next task only 42 minutes after they leave. Ankur and Ankit. The disadvantage, which means the time difference from team 1 is 18 minutes. That's 15 minutes plus 3 minutes of penalty. You're on third position. Now for the final two. You guys are on the second position and Naman and Anamika on the first. I will tell you the time difference. You will start this last task only 9 minutes after they leave. Let's get on to the last and final task in the Kochi chapter of India Adventures.
Yes. Come on, last two, come on, last two.